Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing my tuna recipe, which is part of my nutrition ebook, where you can download this ebook at thesimplefitprogram.com. So what you'll need is you'll need cans of tuna, you'll need some sort of mayonnaise that adds some flavoring to it, cottage cheese, green onions, dill, and container to mix them all in. I generally cut up my dill and my green onions beforehand so that I can quickly make this the night before and it's ready to go for my 12-hour nursing shift the next day. So all I do is I pour some cottage cheese into my container, probably around 2.5 tablespoons of cottage cheese, and then I open up my tuna. I drain the liquid out of the tuna can. I hate that liquid. It's kind of gross, but they all have it. I think it's to preserve the tuna. Anyways, I take out some of the liquid and I pour it onto there, and then I put another can of tuna as well. And then after I do that, I mix my mayonnaise in there and I put some green onions and dill and give it a good mix, and then it's good to go, guys. That's all I do. Now this is a really good high protein meal. So sometimes I have this as a full meal, sometimes I have this as a snack. I highly recommend you give this recipe a try. It's very good. It may not look the best, but this tuna salad recipe, I guarantee you, tastes amazing. The mayonnaise flavoring that I chose for this recipe is chipotle, spicy chipotle mayo. So alongside the tuna, I usually have one piece of multigrain toast, and then I pour a good amount of tuna on there, and then that counts as one of my meals. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if you tried this recipe and what your thoughts were, and share this video with one of your friends if you think they would benefit from it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.